So this is if f of 1x is equal to 1 minus 1 upon x, and fn x is equal to f of 1 of f of n minus 1 of x. So this is a recursive function. Function is calling itself. Where n is a natural number greater than 1, then find the value of f11x. So there will be a pattern. There has to be. That's why they're asking us value of f11x, which is very far. It's going to be easier if we assume a value of x and then equate it with the options. So I'm going to take the value of x as that 1 minus 1 by x is not a problem. So if I take x as 0, it will be a problem, right? 1 upon 0 is not defined. If I take x as 1, so I will get f1x is equal to 0. So f2x will become not defined. So I'm going to take x as 2 because at 0 and 1, I'll have a not defined scenario. So I'm going to put 2 in the options as well and see where do we end up. So the first one gives us 1 by 3. The next one gives us 1 by 1 minus 2, which is minus 1. Next one gives us 2 upon 1 minus 2, which is minus 2. And next one gives us 2 by 3. So we have unique values. And looking at the options, we can see that we can't take x is equal to 1 or minus 1 as well. And looking at the given function, we know that x we can't take as 0. Now let's try to find out what is f1 of 2. f1 of 2 is going to be 1 minus 1 by 2, which is 1 by 2. Now f2 of 2 will become 1 minus 1 by the latest answer that we got. So this will become 1 minus 2, which is minus 1. f32 is going to be 1 minus 1 upon the latest answer that we got, which is going to be 1 plus 1, which is going to result in 2. f42 is going to result in 1 minus 1 upon 2, which is going to be 1 by 2. So the moment repetition happens, we need to stop here. So this series has a cyclicity of 3, as in after every third term, we will have the same term. So it's 1 by 2 minus 1 and 2. So going by the options, we are pretty sure that we can't have 2 by 3 because it doesn't even exist. 1 by 3 doesn't exist and minus 2 also doesn't exist. So we have only B option that makes sense. This is the only one matching. None of the options are matching. If we had to solve it properly, we could have, taken f11. 2 is going to be same as 11 can be written as in the form of 3k plus 2x. So which is 2. So 3k plus 2 would mean the same as the second term in the group, right? The second term in the group results in minus 1. So minus 1 is the answer. B is the answer.